Good morning students. This is Devi, lecturer in electronics, Department of Electronics from MVN JS and RVR Degree College, Malkipuram. Today I am presenting a video which is Unit 3. The topic is addition of two 8-bit numbers. In previous class I will discuss to you about what is the mission language program and what is the assembly language program and how to write the program in steps I will explain in previous class. So based on this concept only we are writing addition of two 8-bit numbers program. So this is the microprocessor kit. This is the 8085 microprocessor kit. Practically we are performing all the operations by using this kit only. So first we have to write the program for addition of two 8-bit numbers. So write an assembly language program to add two 8-bit numbers stored at address 2050 and address 2051 in 8085 microprocessor. The starting address of the program is taken as 2000. So first my aim is to write the assembly language program for addition of two 8-bit numbers. So for addition of two 8-bit numbers I will take two memory addresses. So here in this question the memory address is stored at 2050 and 2051. These are the two memory addresses for addition. So the first address is 2050 and the second address is 2051. Okay. In this address only we are giving inputs. So my aim is to for 2050 I will give 49 and 2051 I will give 56 data. So first we have to write the program for this. So here the starting address of the program is taken as 2000, means here in place of memory address, I will take here in place of starting address I will give 2000. So I will write here 2000. So next mnemonics and operands. Here mnemonics means these English like words are called the mnemonics. Here the English like word means LXI, move, INX, add. These all are mnemonics. And the right side of the mnemonics was the operands. Here operand means H, 2050 and A, M, H. These all are operands. Next comment section. What we have to write the program, that comment will be explaining about what are the instructions to be performed. So here first I have to load the memory address 2050 first thing. So for this loading I will give the instruction LXI H, 2050. Here the memory address 2050 is loaded into this H. Here H means HL pair. So this 2050 is loaded into HL pair. And we are also reading in this comment section, get the address of first number into HL pair. Here what I am writing is LXI H, 2050 means get the address of first number into HL pair. This memory address is loaded into HL pair. So in this 2050 I will give the input 49 and 2051 I will give the data 56. So for this data only addition is performing. So this is the 2050 is first loaded into HL pair. This is the first instruction. Next memory address 2003. So 2001 and 2002 is for storing the LSP. It will occupy one memory address. For storing the MSB bit, it will occupy another memory address. So 2001 and 2002 will be for LSB and MSB. So next move A comma M. Here M is nothing but the first memory address. So here M means 2050. Whatever the contents present in 2050 is moved into A. So in 2050 the data will be 49. So here now for performing move operation, A equal to now 49. Next INX-H. Here INX-H means in place of H 2050 is loaded. Here INX means increment. Increment means adding one number to the memory address. So 2050 will be, increment means it will become 2051. Now 2051. So this is the increment operation. In 2051 I will give the data 56. Now add M means accumulator plus memory will be add up and store the result in accumulator only. Here A have 49 and M we have 56. So this 49 and 56 will add up and get the result as 9F. Once we check it, this addition operation 49 plus 56, we will get the result 9F. So this 9F will be loaded into accumulator. So the result is, by default the result will be stored into accumulator. So next I will give the instruction STA2053. It means store the accumulator into 2053. Now the accumulator, in place of accumulator 9F is present, which is nothing but the result is present in accumulator. Now this accumulator data will be stored into 2053 location. Here first my aim is to I have to give two numbers, which is 2050 and 2051, which is 49 and 56 in one of the memory addresses, but the output I will stored into 2053. So I will give the instruction STA2053 means the result stored into the accumulator is directly stored into 2053. Now 2053 has 9F. Now 2053 has 9F. The result will be stored in 2053. So this is the addition of two 8-bit numbers. So for completion of the addition of two 8-bit numbers, finally we give halt instruction. Here halt is nothing but once program is completed, we give halt instruction. Halt is stop. That means stop the execution. This is the for writing the program. Here my inputs is in 2050 I will give 49 and 2051 I will give 56. So this 49 and so just wait. So for this 49 I will write it as in binary number. 49 4 means here 0100 and 9 means 1001. Next 56 means 0101 and 6 means 0 110. So for addition of these 2-bit numbers, 10 means 1, 01 means 1, 01 means 1, and 10 means 1. Next MSB bit, 01 means 1, 00 means 0, 1 plus 1 means 0 with carry 1. So here 1. So 1001 means 9. 1111 means F. So I am giving two 8-bit numbers, which is 49 and 56. For performing these 49 and 56, I will get the 9F result. So that 9F will be stored into 2053 location. So this is the inputs and outputs. So this is, in this way we have to write the program by using these instructions. So okay, thank you one and all.